Well, hello there, who's of Holmes Beach. What is this I hear about a Sleigh Bell Social this coming December? Don't you know that getting together with a bunch of community games, giveaways, and food is too much fun for any one city? Especially before the holidays. I mean, I could use some social interaction, but this is all about you-who's. Just the very thought of the Chief and Mrs. Mayor shutting down the city field for activities? This just cannot be. Come on, Detective Josh. Come on, JT. Get my sleigh. Gather my bag.